Welcome back, my dear friend. Usually, for friends and family who have moved into their new homes, we give gifts either in cash or gift vouchers and coupons. Instead of giving those gifts directly or in plain boring envelopes, use your creativity and add your signature style by making colorful and themed envelopes like this one. I have made this envelope in the shape of a house. This is a traditional kacha house made of mud and baked bricks. A house like this one will evoke a sense of nostalgia in the 90s kids, the emotional generation to which most of our parents belong, as most of them will have some happy memory of an ancestral home where they had spent their childhood or vacation. Back to the topic. One can open the door of this envelope house and take the gift voucher or cash outside. A gift almost always spreads happiness. A thoughtful and creative gift like this one will make the receiver even happier for all the time and effort that you put into it, for making their big day even more special. However, as a person who has given a lot of personalized gifts like this one, I want to share an important piece of advice with you. Do not keep a lot of expectations when you give your artwork as a gift. Not everyone will appreciate the amount of time and effort that you put into your work of art. So, it is always better to remain detached from your work once it goes out of your hands. This attitude will help avoid frustration and disappointment, which may result from expecting compliments and appreciation for your work. Gifts are meant to bring happiness, but keep your own happiness as the topmost priority every time you create a work of art or a personalized gift for someone. Happy gifting! Subscribe, like, and share for more. Bye.